friends and family, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Leanna. I'm Leanna, and tonight I'm going to be lazy and I'm going to make a salad. And this was Jim's idea. I said, a salad? Everybody knows how to make a salad, and he loves this salad. So I'm humoring him, and I'm going to make a salad. So let's get started making my salad. I forgot to get a knife. Okay, so we're going to take our little lettuce and we're going to chop it up.
Now, what kind of salad are you making?
I'm making a chef salad.
You know, one of the things that I mentioned to her is, you know, I mean, we haven't got our garden planted. I mean, here we are, April
19th. It'll be the...
And we're in Maine.
Yeah.
So I don't have fresh lettuce. I don't have fresh spinach. I don't have tomatoes. I don't have my onions. Cucumbers. But you know, when summertime comes, and you know how it gets so hot and you just don't feel like eating? Well, salad is a great thing. So when you've got your fresh veggies and it's so hot you don't feel like eating, this is a great meal.
It is. I actually love salads. They're nothing special, but I love salad. And this is kind of like my pizza. I always make it too big, so it's kind of... it's huge. I mean, we'll be eating this for days. Just like my pizza. Okay, so we got our lettuce. A bit too much. Okay. And now I'm going to throw in a cucumber, which I've already peeled. I didn't want to bore everybody by making them watch me peel a cucumber. As always, if there's something you don't love, just don't put it in.
Or something extra you want to add.
Or
add it in.
Yeah.
Typically during the summer, this would be lettuce and spinach, fresh spinach.
Mm-hmm. Or a mixture of different lettuces.
Right.
The fancy ones.
Typically, I grow about 4 or 5 different lettuces, the reds, and in fact, some of the channels that I follow, I had sent some seed of. Oh, there was the Black Simpson, there was the Red Sales, there was 3 different types, I think, that I sent. Seed that I had saved.
I just bought my chicken. It's carved chicken breast. Those shortcut Purdue meals. And they taste so good. And I'm just going to rough cut them up into bite-sized pieces. Scatter them all over the salad. That's enough.
You know, another thing that some people put in is ham. A lot of people will put slices of ham in there. That's good. fact, we had talked about how it would be with rabbit. I don't know what we decided, whether we would try that or not. We talked about it.
I don't remember what conclusion we came to.
I don't think we did.
Okay, I'm going to do a green pepper.
That would normally be out of our garden too.
Yes, it would. Sometimes I do jalapenos on the side because we know Jim doesn't do anything hot. But lately they've really been bothering me, so I'm trying to lay off a little bit. Okay. Prior to doing this today, we were discussing we're going to have a bathroom remodel because I'm putting mushrooms on now. We have a really old bathtub, and I don't know about anybody else, I do not do baths. They make me feel gross. It's like, when I get done, I gotta take a shower, and it just seems like nasty. I know there are those of you that love to soak in a tub, but I just don't do it. So we have a guy coming to give us an estimate, and we'll see where it goes from there. And I'm gonna put in red onion. Sometimes I do scallions. Depends on my mood. We're nearing the finish line. I just love onions, so I tend to put a lot on.
That's why we grow about 250 to 300 onion plants every year.
Yep. And I love to dehydrate them. Outside, of course. Because we have a rabbit that lives with us in here. And I read somewhere that the fumes that come out of that dehydrator are really toxic to animals, so I don't want anything happening to my bun. So I pick a nice, and our doves. We have a fish, but I don't think he'd mind. So we try to do it on a decent day where it's not raining, and dehydrate my onions, and they smell so good when they're dehydrating. There, that's enough onion for now. So now I cooked some eggs and peeled them, and then I'm just going to slice them and throw them on the top.
Farm fresh eggs.
Farm fresh eggs. That's the one thing that's always fresh around here. And I just, one of my favorite meals before this COVID thing came along to go out to a restaurant was breakfast. But I just can't stand eating their eggs because they're not fresh. It's like yuck. So I usually get an omelet or something. It tastes better in an omelet. I don't know why. I had 2 more. I guess I made too many eggs. Oh, by the way, I learned somewhere. I don't remember if I read it or someone told me or saw it, or you know how when you have fresh farm eggs, they're not really fun to peel? Well, I saw somewhere that if you cook them in your Instant Pot, that they will come out, you'll be able to peel them just like a store-bought egg. Or even easier. So I tried it one day. We had an overabundance of eggs. We had like 10 dozen in the fridge, and it's like, I'm going to make some egg salad or something. So I did. I put like 3 dozen eggs in the Instant Pot. And it's true. They peel like a charm. But I didn't want to do it. I made 5 eggs, and I just didn't want to do that. Boy, this is getting full. This is the last thing, so good thing, huh? And there
is Leanna's chef salad.
There is Leanna's chef salad.
Gotta have cheese.
Gotta have cheese. Gotta have a lot of cheese. Might as well just dump it on, huh?
That was
what we do. Okay, and there we have it. Did I put everything on? I did. I made a big mess. Hold on. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed watching me make a salad. It really is good. And, sometimes it's just good to have a quick, easy meal. So, if you like this video, please subscribe, ring the little bell, and smash the like button because you like it. Who doesn't love a salad? I will see you next time. I love you all. God bless.